Okay, for my kids that are trying to do a challenge, this is what you're going to do. You read what's over here. Everything you need. Force is mass times acceleration. Force units are newtons, which is the same thing as this. So these two things are the same thing. Okay, same. Mass units are kilograms, acceleration is meters per second squared. The other thing on this one, instead of just reading it, you have to use the diagram to figure out the forces. So if they say force of gravity, that means point it down. If they say force of friction, this is what I mean. So if the object is moving to right, friction's the opposite way. If the object is moving to the left, then the force of friction is to the right. And then when you do get the arrows the correct position, if the arrows are going same direction, you add. If they go opposite direction, you subtract. So in this case, 1A, a child pushes a miniature shopping cart with a force of 10 newtons to the right. She fills up the groceries and it has a mass of 5 kilograms. How fast is the car going to accelerate if there's no friction? So I do the same thing that I normally would. Force is equal to mass times acceleration. You have to write it out. You might be able to do it in your head, but I want you to actually write out everything. Is equal to, mass is 5 kilograms, times acceleration, divide 5 kilograms on both sides. Cancel out what you can. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So I say A is 2. And then meters per second squared is left over. So that's the answer. Okay. 1B. What happens if a child pushes the same cart with a mass of 5 kilograms with a force of 10 newtons to the right on a sandy beach where the force of friction is also 10 newtons? Opposing. What is the net force? The arrows are opposite directions, so you're going to subtract. So that's 0 newtons. Okay, and then I go ahead and plug everything in my formula. Force is 0 kilograms times meters per second squared is equal to mass, 5 kilograms. Multiply by acceleration, divide 5 by both sides, 5 kilograms. And cancel it out. A is left alone. See? Don't forget about A. And then you have kilograms that cancels out. 0 divided by 5 is 0, and you have meters per second squared. So that's the other one that you don't want to forget about. Okay? That is the answer. Go ahead and try 3 and 4A. Check your answers against the red ones, and then move on.